Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aye, for those of you that don't know me. If you guys want to see how I achieve this bold, beautiful look, then definitely keep watching. And then just so I know that I'm gearing you guys towards the right instructions, I always do one eye off camera and do the second eye with you guys on camera, of course. And yeah, so keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna get right into it. So I'm gonna be using these three Maybelline products. I'm using the Baby Skin as my primer. It does leave your skin with a nice velvety feel. And then I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 355 Coconut. Obviously, this is not my foundation shade. Yes, I know. But I like it. I like the coverage. However, I don't use this foundation for long-term wear. Like if I need my makeup to last over 5 hours, this is not my go-to foundation. I don't like bringing foundation or concealer underneath into my neck area because even though it is a little darker, I like that to stay that way because I don't know, I just like something about that shadow. So as long as my chest area and my face matches, I'm good with that. That's my preference. To each in their own preference. This is what rocks my boat and this is what I like. Now, because I'm doing my eyeshadow after I've done my face, I'm setting my whole face, especially under my eyes, because the powder will prevent the eyeshadow fallout from messing up all my hard work. So I'm taking the purple color from the Zulu palette. And placement is really important, guys, especially when you want to build some colors on your eyelids. I'm placing this color in a circular shape form. You want to make sure you're not messing up, especially during your first layer. Now I'm taking the same color and just adding more intensity to that area. And then I'm going to take my time and blend upwards in small circular motions. You don't want to rush this part because if you blend it too far up, you're going to mess up your look. So now I'm going and adding the pink shade from the Zulu palette, and I'm going to start to pat that towards the edge of where the purple and the eyeshadow base meets. You want to make sure that you don't have too much on your brush because if you pack too much on too early, it could kind of mess you up in a way. It's just better to build the intensity as you go. So I'm going back down now. I'm using the deep purple from the Morphe 35B palette to add more definition into the purple. And then I'm going to take the hot pink shade from the 35B palette also and pack that right on top of the pink from the Zulu palette and then slowly blend upwards in circle-like motions. I'm getting so tongue-tied saying these things. But after I finish diffusing the edge of this pink eyeshadow, I'm just going to go in with the yellow shade from the Morphe 35B palette and pat that towards the edge of where the pink eyeshadow and the eyeshadow base meets. The yellow is really not as intense as the other colors, so it doesn't really require much work. And here's the not so fun part, guys. I added a little bit of black in the deep dark purple, but this eye ended up becoming a little more intense than my right eye because my brush ended up picking up a little bit too much of the black eyeshadow, so I had to go back in and blend in a little bit more purple. But when you're picking up black eyeshadow, you just really want to be careful because it's really not a color that is to be reckoned with. That color can really just mess everything up. Now for the eyelid, all the colors I'm going to be using for my eyelid are from the 35B palette. I'm using a dense packing brush to pack on all the colors. I applied at least 2 to 3 layers and then I went back in and applied one more final layer of each color just to make sure the colors were nice and vibrant. If you're looking for a pop-in black eyeliner pencil for your waterline, this is it. It glides on so smooth. And I'm pulling my eye down like this because I wear contacts, and if you wear contacts, then you know if you get that eyeliner on your contacts, it's over for that eye for the whole day. It's just a struggle. And now I'm just smoking out underneath my waterline with the same purple and pink that I used in my crease area. Now I'm just using a clean brush to dust away all that powder. And the good thing is, guys, that I didn't have any eyeshadow fallout on my face. So I was really happy about that. And my eyes just wasn't giving me the, you know, the oomph I was looking for. So I went back and I added some black eyeshadow underneath the black eyeliner, but on top of the purple eyeshadow that I placed underneath my eyes. I already had too much going on, so I just decided to use two highlighters. I used the L'Oreal Gilded Honey and the Crayon Case Anglowla highlighter, because, you know, I wanted my highlight to be popping. I wanted you to see me blinding you from a mile away. This is the final look. The white and the pink eyeliner on top of the black liner is optional. I just like when I close my eyes and I can see some pink there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, pretty much that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.